Hi everyone, today we're going to make conversation between two fish. First, we choose two fish, like fish. Then choose another one. Also same. Then click fish tool, this one. Go to costume. Then choose this one. So the second fish will be this blue fish. Then we flip the other side. So you'll be facing this side. Then go to the code there, drag the fish to the right side, this one to the left side. We also choose a background, so go to here. Let's see. No. Type water, so you choose this one, underwater one. See, this one will look nicer. So, first, for this fish, on the left, we put the coding. Go to the events, choose when click, then go to looks, choose this one, say hello for 2 seconds, then broadcast. Go to the events there and then choose this one, broadcast message 1. This broadcast message 1 means, right, to say that this message say hello is message 1. To say is message 1 is hello. Then click this fish which is on the right side, and go to the events, choose when I receive message 1, then go to looks, drag this one, change the word, I am fine, thank you. Then go to the events. Wait. We need to type message truth here. Type message true. Okay. So drag broadcast message true. So this is to show that message true contains the word I am fine, thank you. And create this one, this fish, which is on the left. Go to events, choose this one. Choose message to. Go to loops. Choose this one. Then type do you want to visit area. Then go to events. Then click add new message, which is message 3. So choose broadcast message 3. Means for message 3, it contains the word do you want to visit area. Then we click here the blue fish, which is on the right side. Then go to the events, choose this one. When I receive, choose message 3. So choose this one, which is under loops. Means for this one, right, it will show the dialog box with a bubble dialog box. Then choose this one. Say, let's go. So we run it, see how it looks like. Yeah. It's too fast. Let's change to 4 seconds. Then add some more words. How are you? This one I forget to type just now. So go to here to maximize it. Then run it again. See, it looks different here. See, this one and just now that one. Just now that one, there's bubbles in the dialog box. That's all.